Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing and review of the Flancci Air Tag Wallet for men, which is in this box right here. This is a product that the company actually sent for me for review in this video. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll take this out of the packaging, we'll walk through the general features of the wallet, then I'll take content of my current wallet, throw it in this wallet to give you a general sense of its functionality, and then we will also walk through the general steps as far as inserting an AirTag into this wallet. However, I did want to give the caveat that I do not have an AirTag and have never used one, so I can't really speak for that. But we'll just get started. And so this is the Flancci Air Tag Wallet. Currently, you can get this on Amazon for $20. They're going to have 5 separate colors. There's going to be a blue color, a black color, a green color, a red color, and a gray color. This is going to be more of a minimalist type wallet that has a slot for an AirTag that allows you to keep track of your wallet through your phone. So if you misplace it or can't find it in a general vicinity, you can use the AirTag to kind of track it down so you don't lose it essentially. The little nuances of this wallet compared to a traditional wallet is it's not going to be as bulky, it's going to be a slimmer design, it's going to have slots for cards and cash. So it's just a sleeker, kind of more streamlined approach to having a wallet as compared to a traditional wallet like I have here. As far as the packaging, it comes in this box with the Flancci label on the front. Then this is going to be the actual wallet. They're gonna have a envelope with a couple extra screws in case you ever misplace them, which is nice and convenient. There's going to be a screwdriver here, which is probably a little bit hard to get out. This is so that you can open and close the wallet as far as inserting the AirTag, and then we have the actual wallet itself. So I'll put the case to the side. So this is what the wallet looks like, and so the main features of this is it's a minimalist, sleek wallet. It has a slot for cash on the one side, and then there's one card slot, so you can insert up to 15 cards directly in here. On the back end here, for convenience as far as opening and closing, there's an area where you can insert your finger and kind of pry it open and close. And then in general on the outside here, note that this is going to be a carbon fiber outside. So it's going to be a very hard material that won't break easily and should last as far as durability. As far as the look, it's this red, kind of brighter red color. It's a little bit brighter red as compared to the photos. If you look on Amazon's website, this is more of like a kind of salmon-y color, but this is definitely a bright red, so keep that in mind when you purchase this. I don't know if the other colors are different. And then the main feature of this is that on the front here, there's a slot for the AirTag. So what they did here was, in order to use this as far as functionality, they included a screwdriver, and basically all you have to do is unscrew the screws here, take them out, and I'm not going to go through it entirely. Take them out of these slots here, and then do that for all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and then you can insert the AirTag directly on this front here. I personally do not have an AirTag and I've never used one, so I can't speak for its functionality, but it's something that if you have an AirTag, you can easily just kind of open this up once, put it into the actual wallet, and it'll sit in the inside here. Of note, this is a little bit elevated here, so just keep that in mind as far as when you use it in your pocket and things like that. As far as the slip, this other side here, there's a clip for money. It's a very sturdy clip, slides down real easily, and this whole surface is flatter, so it's really easy to insert like cash into there. And then beyond that, there's one kind of on the sides here, there's a little like, I don't know what to describe it as, like a silicone or, well, mesh kind of like elastic portion where you can open and close it. I'm actually impressed with this because initially I thought this was going to be too tight, but as I'm messing with it here, it actually does expand much more drastically than I thought. So this is much better than I anticipated, because when I first saw this, I thought it was just going to be like open and close like that, and I was like, how am I ever going to fit my cards? But when you look at it, if you pry this a little bit more, you can get this expanded to the point where you can kind of insert more cards, but it is a little bit cumbersome. It's not the smoothest of approaches. So real quick, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some stuff out of my wallet without compromising my identity, throw some cash in here just to give you a sense of its functionality for the money clip component. And so this is what it looks like with cash on it. It holds it very sturdily, no issues there. So that's no problem there. And then on the other end, let me just see what cards I have in here that don't encompass insurance or credit card information. But I've got a couple cards here we'll just throw in here to give you a general sense of its functionality. But on this end here, we'll insert the cards. So this is just like a Metro card for New York City, Stewart's gift card, and then like a gift card for Dunkin' Donuts that I've had for years. But it inserts pretty well, no problems there. So it inserts, as far as getting these cards out, slides pretty well easily. So what I'd say is you could probably fit like your driver's license, credit card, maybe a debit card, and then insurance card or so without having issues. The nice thing actually when you put these cards in is there's a slot here that actually allows you to push it out. So I think that's the benefit of this once you get the cards in, is this slot here makes it much easier to kind of sort through your cards and pull them out from that component. So this is a cool, unique kind of product. The AirTag component is probably good for any of you that do lose your wallet on a regular basis or misplace it or are worried about that. The color is a little bit brighter. I personally probably wouldn't use this red. I'd probably go with like a black or a gray or something more kind of neutral as far as that. But side-by-side comparison to my regular wallet, it's definitely a little bit less bulky, not drastically when you actually throw everything in here, but it's probably a little bit more convenient to kind of take out cash easier, take out the cards quicker, that sort of thing. And if you do have a bulky wallet, it's probably not as bulky from that standpoint. So that's everything I have for this video. So this is the Flancci Air Tag Wallet. You can currently get this on Amazon for $20. They've got several different colors. They've got blue, black, green, this red, and then a gray. Definitely check it out if you're interested, and as always, if you have questions, comments, you can post them below. But that's all I have for today, so have a great night.